Let's look at your trading history for a moment. No, not the profits. Look at the number of trades. How many of those entries were actually in your plan, and how many were just impulses? The brutal truth is this. You didn't lose money today because the market was manipulated or because your strategy failed. You lost money because you simply could not stop clicking. I've been there. I know that feeling when the first loss hits. It's not just a loss of money, it's a loss of ego. Your heart starts racing, your face gets hot, and suddenly you aren't a trader anymore. You're a gambler chasing a fix. You tell yourself, just one more win to break even, and then I'll stop. But break even never comes. Today, on day one of this 7-day reset, we aren't going to fix your strategy. We're going to fix the biological glitch in your brain that is making you a slave to the market. Welcome to day one, confronting the dopamine demon. Let me describe a day in my life from 3 years ago. I called it my Black Tuesday. I started the morning feeling like a pro. I had my levels marked. I had my coffee. I promised myself, maximum 2 trades today. The first trade was a textbook setup. I entered, and I got stopped out in 5 minutes. Immediately, something shifted in my brain. I felt cheated. I saw another candle, a big, fast-moving green one. This is it, I thought. I'll double my lot size to recover the first loss. I didn't even wait for a confirmation. Click, within 10 minutes. That trade reversed. Now I was down 3% of my account. This is the moment where the dopamine trap snaps shut. I wasn't thinking about risk management anymore. I was thinking about revenge. I spent the next 4 hours entering and exiting trades every 2 minutes. I was trading 1-minute charts, 5-second charts, anything that moved. By the time the session ended, I hadn't just lost money, I had lost my dignity. I looked at my history and realized I had taken 47 trades in one day. 47. Does this sound familiar? You aren't undisciplined. You are experiencing a chemical hijack. Let's talk science. Why can't a rational person like you stop clicking? It's because of dopamine. Most people think dopamine is about pleasure. It's not. It's about anticipation. Studies show that dopamine levels are at their absolute highest, right before a result is revealed. In trading, that means the high happens the moment you click buy. For those few seconds while the price is flickering, your brain is flooded with a chemical rush more powerful than many drugs. Your brain doesn't care if you win. It only cares about the uncertainty. The problem is, once dopamine takes over, it shuts down your prefrontal cortex. That's the CEO part of your brain that handles logic. When the CEO is asleep, the monkey brain takes over. And the monkey only knows one thing: push the button, until you treat overtrading as a chemical addiction, rather than a technical error. You will never be a professional. So, how do we break the cycle? You can't just try harder. You need to change your environment. Here is your day one action plan. Step 1. The hard daily limit from now on. Your limit is 2, not 2 winning trades. Not 2 trades if you feel like it. 2 total entries. Once you take trade number 2, your day is legally over. You won't waste your bullets on garbage if you only have 2 for the whole day. Step 2. The physical disconnect. The moment trade number 2 is closed, you must physically leave your desk, close the laptop, unplug the monitor, go for a 20-minute walk without your phone. You need to let the dopamine levels reset. If you stay in front of the screen, I promise you, you will find a reason to enter trade number 3. Don't trust yourself. Leave. Step 3. Burn the bridge. Delete MetaTrader and TradingView from your phone right now. I'm serious. If you can trade while you're in the bathroom, you aren't a trader, you're a gambler with a mobile casino. Professionals only trade in their office, during office hours. Trading is not about how much you can make. It's about how much you can restrain yourself from doing. Today, your mission is simple. Do not take more than 2 trades. Even better, if you don't see a perfect setup, take 0 trades. Taking 0 trades is a massive victory for your psychology. It proves that you are the boss, not your dopamine. Comment below, Day 1, the monster is in the cage. Commit to this. Protect your capital. Protect your mind. I'll see you tomorrow for Day 2, where we will kill the most famous demon in the market, FOMO. Good luck, and stay disciplined.